Well, hello my revivers. Today I have another video, and I'm doing these videos because you will be so surprised that if you don't know, you just don't know. So a lot of people like to eat crab legs like myself, and I notice a lot of people rinse them off, and some don't even rinse them off, and they just boil them. If you are touching the outside of the crab leg and you didn't clean it, more than likely you're going to touch the meat in the inside from what's on the outside, and then you'll put it in your mouth. What I do with my crab legs is I grab them, and in this area here I have a brush. I take the brush and I get all of that white stuff out, all of the white gooey stuff that I can out of it, right? And it falls like right just, I had already started cleaning these so you could see the white stuff in there. And then I take and I go and I scrub down the sides of all of the crab legs, and I try to get them clean as much as possible. I put a little bit of in my water. I put a little bit of vinegar, just a little bit, and a tad bit of baking soda, and I scrub. I scrub them, scrub anything that's on them. Sometimes you'll have little things from the sea that sticks to the outside of them, and sometimes it'll boil off in your water, and I don't like that. So now you see, you don't see all that white gook inside here. Let me show you one that's not clean, because some people like to eat this. I didn't used to, but every now and then, depending on how full I am after I do my boil, I will eat it. See the difference? You see that stuff in there? You see that? I go in there and I clean that out. You clean that out, and then I'll show you how it looks once I'm done. You want to clean that out. You don't want that brown green gook boiling off into your water. I steam mine, so it doesn't, see, this doesn't come off actually, but at least I can get it as clean as possible. And you know, I'm going to be moving away from eating these too, because to be honest with you, these are not really good for us to be eating. These are bottom feeders, and you really shouldn't be eating them. If you eat anything from the sea, it should be like fresh fish. Oh, did y'all see those? Okay, here go one. These little things I'm talking about. They'll be on the fish, on the crab legs, and you have to scrub those off. They'll be stuck on the crab legs. I don't want none of that in my water if I was boiling them, and I definitely don't want to be touching that when I'm eating them. So I got this little brush from Walmart, and that's how I clean my crab legs. And then I also rinse them again. See all that nastiness? I go in. You're putting this in your body, so you want to try to clean it as much as you can. I did the shrimp video, and a lot of you were surprised at what was inside the shrimp. See how clean that looks? And then I'm about to clean this as well. See that? Go in. That stuff that's sitting loose, that stuff comes out. And then it'll just leave the meat, and you don't have that green, gooey, white, nasty stuff in there when you eat your crab legs. See? Now you don't have that green, gooky stuff in there. And you just nicely get around the joints and just scrub. And that's it. And you do the same thing. These don't look too good. Sam's has been really disappointing, to the point where it made me not want to even eat them. But, oh, I forgot to show you. I see it's like dirt and stuff. You get in there, clean it. Don't just rinse these off. Now, these been rinsed, but you see they still need a good cleaning. Like, it was dirty. Clean your food, guys. This is your body. And technically, like I said, I shouldn't even be eating these. So, I'm hoping to get the strength to not even have to have seafood, because that's all I eat. I'm a pescatarian, non-dairy pescatarian. So I don't eat any dairy as well. So these ones didn't look too good. And don't worry, I'm going to rinse them again. And so I just do the same thing with all the pieces. You just want to make sure there's nothing on them. And all the nastiness is now in that water. All the nastiness is inside this water. And I'm going to show it to you if you can't see it. How nasty this water is. Let me see if I can zoom in. You can see like the green stuff, and all the stuff that came off of it. Corner. See it? It's kind of hiding, but yeah. Clean your crab legs. Later, y'all. So I poured that out, and I gotta clean that. So now I'm going to rinse them again. I'm gonna rinse this out, rinse them again, and then put them in my steaming pot. I steam mine because I don't like overcooked soggy crab legs. So I just rinse, and then they'll be ready to steam, season and steam. So I season them, and then I put them right in my pot to steam. I got some salt potatoes, some shrimps, and some scallops. I'm not doing corn this time, so now they're ready to eat. That's how I clean my crab legs.